Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chawda from Team Microbe. As you know, we are customized PCB and product test fixes solution provider company in India as well as out of India, and providing lots of customized solutions to our MNC companies in India as well as out of India. So if you are into a mass production of electronics, or if you are a designer company, OEM or ODM, this kind of PCB and product test fixes is quite useful and time saving, as well as you can have the data analysis report at the end of the day. So let's start today's video and give you very brief about this kind of test fixers. As Microbe is dealing in three kind of test fixers. One is manual test fixer, so second is semi-automatic test fixer, and this is a full automatic test fixer. So if you want any kind of test fixers, Microbe can provide it to you as per your customized PCBA or product level testings. So this particular test fixer is fully automatic and integrated testers where all the testings can be done with the bed of nails and inside integrated electronics, and all the data will be captured from the customized desktop applications. So we have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical and software development team. We sitting under one roof and providing the best out of the best test solutions within a timeline and with the quality works. Also, we have in-house machine setups like CNC, VMC, and laser cutting and laser marking. We can provide you the best quality of the mechanical directions also. Each and every part is designed developed under Microbe and machining under Microbe, as well as assembled and tested in Microbe only. So Microbe is going to be a one-stop solutions for any kind of PCB and product level testings. Let's start today's video and give you a very brief introduction of this test fixture. This is a parallel stroke mechanism with fully integrated electronics and full automatic test stand. If you want this kind of parallel stroke system for PCBA, we are there. Microbe can provide it to you. This kind of integration can be also possible for the toggle based system. And if you want a complete test bench kind of solutions where all the electronics, DSO, MSO, or benchtop meters can be installed into the test bench, Microbe is capable to provide a complete test stand based solutions. So these are parallel stroke systems. Here one PCB is already inserted inside the fixer where top and bottom side bed of nails are there. So when user put the PCB on fixer, or top and bottom side bed of nail will get interaction with particular test points, and it will integrate with the inside electronics. It will test like whether voltage is coming, whether communication protocol is properly established or not, the current, all the different kinds of parameter it is going to test, and it will show you this kind of screen. So first user need to scan the barcode. After that they need to insert the power. System will check sorting test into the voltage bus. So between ground and VCC it will test like resistance. We also test the continuity test on some of the parameters. So it is customized as per your requirement. Power on test, voltage test, different kind of test cases are there. So these kind of things, if you are dealing in daily, like if you are doing a production of 1000, 5000, 10,000, 1 lakh PCBA, so manual doing this kind of things will not be a accurate solutions, and it is going to be a time taken process. This kind of test trends can do automatic testings within 10 to 12 seconds only, so it will save lots of time. Also at the back end you will say, you can have the report of that particular PCBA. As a future analysis purpose you can check these particular things. So let's open this fixture so you'll get an idea. So this is a parallel stroke mechanism. You can see a very smooth movement of the stroke and very smooth movement of the system. So this is a rotary plus parallel stroke. So this is going to be a rotary motion, and after that there will be a 22 of parallel stroke will be there, right? We are having separate videos for these mechanisms, so we'll just focus on to the PCB level in this particular system. So let's have a look into the bed of nail. If you can see, like this is a bed of nail creation. You can see a very accuracy of the bed of nail. As we have in-house machine setup, we can deliver best out of the best quality with the accuracy. You can see a top plate, the bed of nail plate, and the mountings of the structure. These are the aluminum base profile based systems, and this movement of the mechanism you can see. Here are bottom pogo pins, here are the top pogo pins. So when we insert the PCB, it will have the interaction on particular location of the test points, and it will get the data as per the requirements. So let's start the practical video so you'll get an idea. I'll just put the PCB here and just close this system. Also, we'll show the inside look of this particular system, so we'll get an idea how system is working. So once we start this, right, it will generate we need to configure it first. So I just need to close this, and it is showing error failed to communicate. So I need to configure this system. COM port is there. To save this COM port, and COM port is detected. So I'll just reopen this system, and just take a start button. So before uh, doing any testing, we need to scan the PCB. I'll just scan this. So barcode will be there, QR code will be there. So against that QR code, system will start uh, data logging of particular test points and give the results of that test points into the backend Excel. So like 1.25 voltage, power on, 5 volt, 1.8 volt, all things will is coming perfectly, and detecting the communication protocol also, and providing the solutions. Like if some test is not perfect, it will detect and show you the fail conditions. So total 8 tests we have taken right now, and at the end you can see this is a backend system where you can see a date, at on which date you are taking the trial, on which time you are taking the trial. You are scanning the barcode, insert board, this voltage is coming, and these are the fail and pass conditions, board is fail, pass or fail. So this kind of backend reports system is generating, and customized desktop application is generating. So this is going to save lots of time. If I want to start, I will just need to scan. You can just have the measurement of the time, how much time it is taking. So it will take hardly 10 seconds to have all the data and communicating with the system. So if you are doing this kind of manual systems or manual testing, it will take lots of time, as well as it will be not a safe on based on the ESD. When your user is testing PCBs, it will damage the PCB. When user is putting PCB somewhere, it will have the lots of mess up. So this test is done within 10 seconds and providing the results. So we are providing a lots of economic solutions for PCBA as well as product testings. And if you have any such kind of requirements, you can contact Microbe. We can provide you best out of the best solutions for any kind of PCBA and any kind of products. And dealing as we are dealing in India as well as out of India, and getting lots of orders from out of India also, you can just try Microbe how we are working with you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, so we also get the motivations. Thank you for watching this video.